In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for emails in AOL Mail. By the end, you'll know how to use both the basic search bar and the advanced filters, so you can quickly find the messages you need. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for AOL Mail. Look for the official AOL Mail site in the results, and click it to go to the sign-in page. On the top right corner of the page, select Login or Join. Sign in to your account as you normally would, and make sure you're in the correct mailbox if you manage more than one account. Once you're in your inbox, let's begin with the basic search. At the very top of the AOL Mail interface, you'll see the search box. Click into it and type a keyword, the sender's name, or words from the subject line. For example, try the company or person's name or a distinctive phrase from the subject. Then press Enter or click the search icon. If you get too many results, try adding another keyword to narrow it down. Being specific helps, and using the most unique word you remember often speeds things up. When you need more precision, switch to the advanced search. Next to the search bar, click the drop-down icon or the option labeled Advanced. This opens a panel of filters that let you target exactly what you're looking for. Start with the Search in option. Choose the part of your mailbox you want to search, like Inbox, Sent, or Trash. Picking the right folder can drastically reduce noise. If you suspect the message was deleted or sent from your account, Trash or Sent can be especially helpful. Next, refine by criteria. You can filter by From to specify the sender, or by To if you know which address received the email. You can also filter by subject to look for particular words in the subject line and set a date range to focus on a specific time window. If you remember roughly when the message was sent, even narrowing to a month can make a big difference. If the message included files, use the Attachments filter. You can limit results to emails that contain photos, documents, or calendar invites. This is particularly useful when you're tracking down a file you know was shared with you. After setting your filters, run the search to view the results. If you still see too many messages, adjust one filter at a time until you zero in on the right email. When you're done, clear or reset the filters to return to your full inbox view. That's it. Now you can confidently find emails in AOL Mail using both basic and advanced search.